Hi, this is Vivek and welcome to yet another unboxing video from Gizbot. Today we'll be unboxing a special smartphone. When I say special, it's really special because for this Infinix has partnered with Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness or MCU. So without wasting any further time, let's unbox the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 810 processor. This is the retail package of the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 810 processor. If you look at the bottom part of the box, you have information like IMEI and the model number which is X671B, and it also mentioned that we have the post-black variant of the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G smartphone. On the side, we again have that branding Infinix and Marvel with a mention that it has a 108 megapixel camera at the back. Then if you go to the back of the smartphone, they have actually mentioned some of the prominent features of the Note 12 Pro 5G smartphone, which includes a primary camera with 108 megapixel resolution, Dimensity 810 processor, an AMOLED display, a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, and it also supports USM 5G network and it supports up to 12 5G bands, and the smartphone also comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging support. And today I have a model with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. If you look at the retail price, it actually mentions that the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G comes with 24,999 rupees. However, we think the company will launch the smartphone at a slightly lower price, so it should be priced around 22 or 21,000 in the Indian market. We will include the actual pricing of the smartphone in the comment section. So without wasting any further time, let's start unboxing the device. As you can see, they have the security seal. Whenever you buy a smartphone, make sure that these security seals are not open before you buy the smartphone. It ensures that the device is not actually tampered with. As you open the box, the very first thing in the retail box is the phone itself. Let us keep the device aside for a while and look at the other accessories. In the retail box, you get a USB Type-C cable and a 33 watt fast charging adapter in the box. As I have mentioned, this is done in collaboration with Marvel, so you also have a sticker. In this case, you have a sticker of Doctor Strange. You have an Infinix and Marvel sticker, and then you have Doctor Strange sticker, and then you have another Doctor Strange sticker. Then you have warranty information, user manual, and there is a welcome to X Club which looks like a $1 note, which actually is not a $1 note. Last but not the least, you have a soft silicone case included in the box. We were hoping for a Doctor Strange themed case, but what we get in the retail box is a transparent case. Now let us keep all things aside and look at the actual smartphone itself. As you can see, this is the retail unit of the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G powered by the Dimensity 810 processor, which is based on 6nm processor. At the back, we have a massive camera setup on the Infinix 12 Pro 5G smartphone with a primary 108 megapixel camera along with two more sensors, and we also have a LED flash unit, and we also have another sticker which gives information like SAR value, IMEI number, and DSI certification. On the left, you have a SIM card tray where you can use two SIM cards with the smartphone, and on the right, you have a volume button and power button where the power button also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. At the bottom, you have 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port, primary speaker, and primary microphone. On the top, you don't have anything. In terms of looks and design, this is a big smartphone. However, considering the fact that it has a 5000 mAh battery, it is actually a lightweight smartphone. Now, without wasting any further time, let's turn on the device. I would also like to mention the fact that this smartphone comes with an AMOLED display, and it is a regular 60Hz AMOLED display and not a crazy 90Hz or 120Hz panel. As you can see, in the first boot it says powered by Android. I believe the smartphone should come with Android 11 or Android 12 operating system. We will give details on this in just a moment. Make sure that you turn off all these things so that you don't get any ad or bloatware in the software, in the smartphone. You have to accept this Google terms and conditions to start using any Android device. For the time being, I am skipping this feature, and I am also skipping the data transfer feature. I will be using the classic or the large folder. I will be selecting for the large folder setting. Depending on your use case, you can select any of those. As I mentioned before, this smartphone ships with Android 12 operating system with XOS 10.6.0 skin on top. So let's have a look at the actual screen in just a moment. If you go to settings and storage, the smartphone, the 128GB storage variant uses almost 17GB of internal storage out of the box, and there are few bloatware apps where you can actually uninstall them for free. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification anytime we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.